Hi students, today we will see the next part of these polynomials and that is zeros of a polynomial. So what are zeros of a polynomial? So in the previous video we discussed what is a polynomial, what are the classification of polynomial and what is the coefficient of polynomial and the terms of the polynomial, right? And here when we say zeros of a polynomial and zeros of a polynomial, suppose if we see x minus 2, is it a polynomial? Yes. Now, who can or what can make the whole polynomial 0? Suppose if you want this whole polynomial, the value to be equal to 0, what will be the value in the place of x? So, what should be in the place of x? Then the whole becomes 0. So, here we have got 2. So, what is to be? Okay, here we have to subtract 2. So from where we have to take 2 so that there will be nothing. So that is 2. Yes, you are correct. And if there is the value 2, then that 2 minus 2 will give you 0. And therefore, here x equal to 2 is the 0 of polynomial. 0 of x minus 2 is 2. Okay, clear? Now what can we say that? So 0 of a polynomial is the value of the variable of the polynomial which makes the whole value or the whole polynomial 0. Right, clear? Yes. In that case, what is the 0? So 0 of x plus 1. Then what can be there? Here what should be in this position? So that the whole will become 0, this x plus 1. So that if you want to be 0, what should be there in the position? What should be there in the position? So that it will become 0. Minus 1. That is, so 0 of x plus 1 is minus 1. So this polynomial is. Okay, clear? So that is the value. Now how to find? Suppose if you are given, find the 0 of x minus 3. So we know that. So here this 0 of the polynomial is the value of the variable which makes the whole 0. So let x minus 3 equal to 0. Then what is the value of x? If you take it there, it will become 3. Therefore, x equal to 3 is the 0 of polynomial x minus 3. Clear? This is the 0 of the polynomial. Okay, here, suppose now, a student, now we see, suppose what is the find the 0 of the polynomial, say, x minus 4. And here let x minus 4 equal to 0. So the whole value to be 0. Or instead of let, we can say, you can say this when. So when x minus 4 equal to 0, what is the value of x? X is equal to, it goes there, that becomes 4. Therefore, x equal to 4 is the 0 of x minus 4. Suppose if you have 2x minus 1 polynomial. Suppose when you have the coefficient here, so also we can. So when 2x minus 1 equal to 0, or you can say this, sometimes in case some used to say like this also, for 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So that this is to be 0. When this is to be 0, we need 2x equal to, it goes there 1, and the value of x equal to 1, it goes there 1 by 2. Therefore, x equal to 1 by 2 is the 0 of the given polynomial 2x minus 1. Okay, clear? It's a 0 of the polynomial. Now, suppose if you are given, check. Now, what polynomial is given? We don't know whether the given value is the polynomial, the 0 of the polynomial or not. Say for example, suppose check if the value of x is the 0 of given polynomial or not. Suppose p of x, the polynomial over x is given, say 2x square minus 1, and for x is equal to given, say 1. Now here x equal, we have to check whether this value, this x equal to 1 is the 0 of this polynomial or not. Now what we are going to do, so put x equal to 1, the given value in the polynomial in p of x. We get 2x square minus 1 equal to 2 in the place of x. What are you going to put? The 1. To 1 square minus 1. That becomes here 2, 1 square is 1, 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Now here we are getting this is not equal to 0. It is not equal to 0. So that means x equal to 1 does not make p of x equal to 2x square minus 1 0. Therefore, x equal to 1 is not a 0 of 2x square minus 1. So this, like this we can check whether the given polynomial and the value is a 0 or not. Have you understood, children? And now suppose find the value. Sometimes we may be asked to find the value. Find the value of p of x equal to 4x minus 2 at x equal to 1. So here, you understand the question? Yes. Find the value of the polynomial. What is the value of this polynomial? When the polynomial will have the different values. For every value of the variable, the value of polynomial will be different. Okay, for different value of x, the different value of polynomial. So when x is equal to 1, what will be this value? So when x equal to 1, what is this value? So p of x you have to find. What is that? P of x becomes 4x minus 1. So p of the, instead of x you are going to put 1 equal to 4 in the place of x, again 1 minus 1. So 4 ones are 4 minus 1, that is equal to 3. Therefore p of 1 is equal to 3. Now we get here equal to 3. And in the case of here, we checked whether it is a 0 or not. Here we can just find the value of this one. Suppose for example, let us see another one, second one. 2x square minus x plus 1 is the polynomial given to you, and find value at x equal to say 1 by 2. Sometimes may be given in the fraction also. Suppose if it is there, how to do this? Okay, fine. Here, let p of x equal to 2x square minus x plus 1. Then when x equal to 1 by 2, for this 1 by 2, we substitute here p of 1 by 2 is equal to 2 in the 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 2 plus 1. We are just replacing the value, the x, wherever x is there, we are substituting the value to find that. Now it becomes 2 into 1 by 2 square, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2 plus 1. And here we go for cancellation, 1 by 2, that is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 again cancel, is equal to 1. Therefore, p of 1 by 2 is equal to 1. So here the value of this polynomial when x is equal to 1 by 2 is 1. So this way we can find the value of the polynomials also. And just by finding the value of the polynomial, we can check whether the given value of x is the 0 of this polynomial or not. Okay, so sometimes, okay, when the polynomial is given and we are finding the 0 of the polynomial, and we find the value of the polynomial for a particular value of x, and hence we can check sometimes whether the given value of the variable is the 0 of the polynomial or not. Okay, have you understood? But sometimes some students make little confused with the 0 of a polynomial and 0 polynomial. Be careful. We'll see that in the next video. Bye.